Hi guys, I'm Devang.
Hi, I'm Dhruv.
We are going to discuss a lot about what is right and what can be improved in world cricket, but primarily Indian cricket. We're going to discuss international matches where India is going to participate, and we're going to give our insight basis on the knowledge that we possess. So if you're one of those people who's just going to ignore everything and ride Virat Kohli rocks, then you might as well leave now.
So
Okay?
let's just jump directly into it, right?
Yeah. So I think कल से मैच शुरू होने वाला है and it's going to be that World Test Championship final, India versus New Zealand.
This would be the most important test match of this generation, right?
It needs to deliver first. It is one
Right.
of those test matches where the hype has been created, but it needs to deliver. That is the most important part of it. And since the weather
Yeah, but
forecast
I
is
think historically, I mean historically,
historically,
this has to be right up there, right?
I mean, after that 2005 Ashes, I don't think so anything has contributed that much to this generation in terms of Test cricket. That was right up there. I would still say that is one of the best Test series, and then the recently concluded one, India versus Australia.
So let's talk a little about the Test Championship and how it began. When was the first match and all of that stuff?
I I'm pretty sure it began after the World Cup. I mean,
Yeah, so
first series
it
was
started in 2019 August, uh, with 9 test-playing nations in it.
okay.
And the World Test Championship stretched over 2 years, and we have a final tomorrow. That's the basic gist of it. Top
Pretty
four teams being
exciting, I would say.
India, Australia, New Zealand, and England.
Yes. When you look at the points, I
Right.
think England was the closest one to qualify. Just the points, not the PCT.
Right.
What is PCT, by the way?
Right. The percentage count, right?
Yeah. So India is at the top of the table with 520 points. Then England
Right.
second with 442. Then New Zealand third with 420, and Australia fourth at 332. But when you look at the PCT, and this is where I'm saying that this was New Zealand's best chance of getting into the finals. I think the New Zealand team, what they have been doing for the last good 6 years or so, is they've been getting into semifinals and finals.
Correct. Who
They
can
were the
forget that
final
World Cup?
2015 World Cup. They were the finalists. 2016 T20 World Cup. They were the semi-finalists. Then
Yeah.
2019
So
World Cup finalists.
it can be said that they were unlucky before the PCT came into action.
I think I think this is probably ICC's way of making up to what they did to them in 2019 World
The
Cup
World
final.
Cup final, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You cannot decide a World Cup on the basis of mountain count. You just cannot. Dinesh Karthik made a very valid point. He said that you should not get the same points when you're beating Bangladesh at home and then you're
Correct.
going to Australia and beating them in their backyard. So
Correct.
and जो हमारी वो होती है the point system, the ICC points table, that is also calculated in that way only. So you get more points when you're away from home and then competing. And if the team that you're competing against is higher uh, on the ICC rankings, then you get more points.
Right. Fair. That's I think the fair
I
approach.
हाँ and I think कि आपको ICC points एक टाइम पे आके हो जाने चाहिए, मतलब it should start from zero. And then आपकी जो पहली चार teams हैं, they go through. And I still don't agree with कि भाई दो finalists हो गए and then आप वो खेल रहे हो. It could have been a 3-match series that would have, I think, generated more interest. सेमीफाइनलिस्ट आप निकाल सकते थे तो आपको टेक्निकली 3 सीरीज और मिल जाती. ज्यादा प्रमोशन T20 क्रिकेट को दिया जाता है बिकॉज 3 टेस्ट सीरीज एंड देन आई थिंक हर सीरीज में 3 टेस्ट मैचेस तो रखने ही पड़ते in order to conclude a test series with someone with a winner. So वो शायद टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट की वजह से, बिकॉज अगर आप वो भी करोगे तो एज इट इज आपको कम से कम 25 दिन चाहिए या मिनिमम 25 दिन तो चाहिए आपको 3 टेस्ट मैच कंक्लूड करने के लिए. सो दैट your entire semi-final and final wala thing would have stretched up to 75 days.
Correct. So constantly put basically people in front of the TV for 75 days is not practical.
It's not practical, but then that is how you generate interest, right? आपको अगर 4 घंटे के अंदर मैच खत्म करना है और यहाँ पे जो एक सेशन ही 2.5 घंटे का होगा, आपको मतलब I genuinely want people to watch our channel just because they would want to listen to what is right and what is wrong. I don't want to create a 5-minute video, right? This is my approach, and that's why I am being very patient, and I like test cricket. Now, this is the approach people need to start. I mean, this is the approach I would want people to have in terms of test cricket.
Right.
Then only we can generate a lot of viewers. We can generate a lot of interest, and I basically love how people in England treat test cricket. It is amazing. Even the county championships and everything, that it is treated so well. हमारे यहाँ जितनी उनकी नेशनल गेम है ना क्रिकेट, वो उतना उसको रिस्पेक्ट करता है. हमारे यहाँ तो हॉकी में कोई देखने भी नहीं आता. हमारे यहाँ तो क्रिकेट एक रिलीजन कहा जाता है, बट रणजी ट्रॉफी में जब तक सचिन ना हो तब तक तो कोई मैच भी नहीं देखने जाता. I remember that famous comment from someone, and he said कि I think he was the ICC chairman, BCCI chairman at that point of time. He said we need to do something about Ranji matches because रणजी मैच में ना 10 लोग आते हैं मैच देखने, जिसमें से 8 लोग वो होते हैं जो हमें कुर्सियां सप्लाई करते.
Wow.
And that is a fact. I mean, that's a sad fact, but it's a fact altogether. We have zero viewership in terms of Ranji matches. We don't even have good commentators. First and foremost, our players need to play a lot of Ranji matches. इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम का शेड्यूल इतना ज्यादा पैक्ड होता है कि वो डोमेस्टिक मैचेस खेल ही नहीं पाते.
करेक्ट.
तो जब तक आप डोमेस्टिक मैचेस इंडियन प्लेयर्स को नहीं खिलाओगे, इंडियन प्लेयर्स हु constantly feature on international circuit, and what yaar, we have a pool of what 35-40 odd people who've represented us in international arena, and we still are not able to generate viewership in terms of test cricket, which is horrifying to say the least.
But I think it will get better. Matlab, just being positive.
Hasn't for the last 20-25 years or so, but let's just see. Let's hope for the best.
Yeah.
I mean, I would want my kid to watch test cricket for sure.
Same man. But देखते हैं. तो basically हम तो देखेंगे. हम 3 बजे भी उठे थे.
हम 3 बजे भी उठे थे. हमने इंडिया को हरवाया भी. फिर सोए, रो के भी सोए. ठीक है, हम 5 बजे उठ के हमने इंडिया को जितवाया भी. ऐसा नहीं हमने सिर्फ हरवाया. हमने ऋषभ पंत की कितनी कैचेस छुड़वाई है आप सोच भी नहीं सकते.
तो अभी अगर हम पॉइंट्स टेबल देखते हैं करंट वाला, राइट, तो इंडिया is at first point India is at first place with 520 points. Yep. And win percentage of basically 72.2%.
Yes.
And Kiwis are at 420 points with on second position with 70% win percentage.
Yes.
And India has had 6 series so far. New Zealand has had 5 series.
Out of those 5 series, 3 were played at home. And those are the only 3 series that they won just before the World Cup. हमारे न्यूजीलैंड का टूर था. हमने वहां पे, and Sachin played in the last 3 ODIs only. His score was 0-0-1. ठीक है, going into the test series. हम all out हुए 99 पे. ठीक है, and we got a lead of 1 run.
Wow.
This happened, and क्योंकि उस टाइम पे तो बहुत घास होती थी यार, न्यूजीलैंड की विकेट पे बहुत ही घास होती थी.
करेक्ट, कार्पेट वाला होता था.
हाँ, शेरी नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू commented on this that if you could let 20 cows, ठीक है, and you can just feed them for a week on New Zealand pitches. So that's how grassy that was, and अगर वो conditions अभी मिल जाए तो I think we'll see a repeat telecast of that 36 all out. Now that is where I want to come to. बॉल जब स्विंग होती है ना, हमारा ये हाल होता है। पूरी टेस्ट सीरीज में सिर्फ एक बार ही बॉल स्विंग हुआ है, एंड वो भी जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा नेप कर रहा था, एंड दैट वाज इन एडिलेड, एंड वी ऑल सॉ व्हाट हैपेंड। मेलबर्न में इतना स्विंग नहीं हुआ, सिडनी में नहीं हुआ। सिडनी तो एक्चुअली गॉट अ लिटिल बेटर फॉर प्लेइंग, ठीक है। ब्रिस्बेन बिकेम द बेस्ट विकेट टू बैट ऑन फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ डे। स्विंग नहीं हो रहा था वहां पे, ठीक है। यू गॉट सिमिलर सब कॉन्टिनेंट टाइप ऑफ कंडीशंस, तो वहां पे वी डिड रियली वेल, ठीक है। जहां पे भी बैटिंग थोड़ी सी भी चैलेंजिंग होती है ना, वहां पे आई एम नॉट जस्ट क्रिटिसाइजिंग इंडियन क्रिकेट, वहां पे वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में बैट्समैन अभी इस टाइम पे कोई भी नहीं है जो आके परफॉर्म कर जाता है। I mean, there are only few that you can name out. Kane Williamson goes out and plays everywhere and scores heavily everywhere. Joe Root is
रोहित
also
शर्मा
one who. Rohit Sharma is of course, ठीक है। Rohit Sharma is in a different league altogether. Rohit Sharma इस टाइम पे AB de Villiers वाली लीग पे, ठीक है। वो
एवरीवेयर एंड एनीवेयर
हाँ, he can score anywhere and he can score at will. उसके मूड पे डिपेंडेंट है भाई, उसने मारना है तो मारना है,
तो
because he's got lot of shots for every ball.
रोहित शर्मा मेड दिस कमेंट आल्सो ना कि अगर स्टार्टिंग में पहले आई थिंक पहले 10 ओवर बॉलर्स के होते हैं, उसके बाद मेरे होते हैं। नहीं, अगर
हाँ,
मुझे
आप ही के
आउट
होते
करना
हैं
है तो वो
सर।
पहले 10 ओवर में ही कर सकते हो।
सर आप ही के होते हैं, और किसी के नहीं होते। फिर पूरी टीम में दोनों टीम्स में से किसी के नहीं होते, आप ही के होते हैं। डू यू रिमेम्बर इन दैट प्रीमियर लीग दैट इज स्टिल, आई मीन व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट, they've suspended it indefinitely, right?
राइट राइट या
उसमें भी चेन्नई में मैचेस होते थे, which was a very terrible wicket to bat on, but it was assisting the bowlers, and I would want to see those kind of wickets in a T20 game.
So what do you think about India's 15 men squad?
I I'd say that I'm happy with it, ठीक है। मेरे को ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उस पूरी स्क्वाड से। इट्स जस्ट दैट मेरे को genuinely I feel Hanuma Vihari and Viriddhiman Saha, they're just like visitors, although I was very tempted कि भाई शिखर धवन को आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट में तो खिलाओ यार, कुछ भी करो उसको। आईसीसी कोई भी टूर्नामेंट कहीं भी कुछ भी हो रहा है, खिला दो उसको। मतलब दैट गाय कैन गो एंड स्कोर इन अंडर 19 टीम एज वेल। आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट
But
होना चाहिए बस।
and he is in such good touch, man. मतलब
He
अभी
is.
उसको बाहर रखना, मतलब it feels like a crime.
It does, and पता है, this is what I wanted to point out. This is what can happen if a guy plays limited formats.
Right.
ठीक है, he has not been in the scheme of things when it comes to Test cricket, and this has been the case for a while now.
Right.
And I genuinely feel that we need to start limiting our players, and we should limit them to a maximum of 2 formats.
Let's say our opening is sorted right now, so we don't have to look for another
हाँ,
opener. Like we have Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill at the top.
हाँ, मतलब
Right.
I know it will be criminal for me to even say this, that शुभमन गिल की जगह अगर केएल राहुल हो सकता है, then nothing like it. But the point I'm trying to make is it's a championship final. It's a championship final, and you don't want to take any risk. However, you don't want to dent a youngster's confidence as well. He's done well in the Australia series. He did well. I mean, we were all out of sorts. Prithvi Shaw did not look like scoring a run. And Mayank Agarwal he probably had a spring up his ass, the way he was batting. So that did not make sense to me. Matlab, Mayank Agarwal, don't want to talk about that. Shubman Gill did his part. He played good constructive innings. एक बारी 100 मिस कर गया, एक बारी 50 मिस कर गया, and I think वो दोनों innings बहुत ही अच्छे थे.
More importantly, he looked good. He looked like he belonged there, right?
Yeah, he looked good, and plus रोहित शर्मा के साथ खेलने से उसका कॉन्फिडेंस और बढ़ेगा ही, ठीक है.
Correct.
We were thinking कि ब्रिस्बेन में रोहित शर्मा would get us off to a flyer, but it was the other way around.
Right.
Shubman Gill was cutting the ball, he was pulling Mitchell Stark, he was relentless, man. He was just too good.
He looked so confident.
बहुत सही था.
those answers.
So our top 5 is sorted, ठीक है.
Right.
6th ऋषभ पंत
Sharma,
आएगा.
Gill, Sharma, Gill, Pujara, Kohli,
कोहली, रहाणे,
Pant.
पंत, रहाणे एंड पंत.
Pant.
ठीक है. उसके बाद
Right.
रविंद्र जडेजा. आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो विद 5 bowlers.
Right. Acha. Now this is I think the biggest concern that India has. Top 5, top 6 was not the problem, right?
Yep.
Okay. How would you go about doing this now? So we have in Pacers we have Ishan Sharma, Shami, Umesh Yadav, Bumrah, and Siraj. So we both can safely say that Umesh Yadav doesn't get a spot right now.
He won't. He won't.
We have Shami, we have Bumrah, and we have Ishant. Like,
Yep.
these three are it's basically like, I think the best bowling attack that we could have asked for, right?
Yeah,
As
I
in
mean,
the best pace attack.
when you look at the opposition, you've got Neil Wagner, you've got Tim Southee, you've got Trent Bolt, you've got Kyle Jamieson. In order to compete against those, you need 3 fast bowlers. I was tempted to go for four fast bowlers as well, but
Exactly,
then
Siraj as well.
हाँ, but आपका फिर बैटिंग इतना डीप नहीं जा रहा है उस पर. आप अनुमा विहारी नहीं खेलेगा, ठीक है, फॉर श्योर नहीं खेलता.
नहीं खेलेगा क्योंकि जडेजा है.
Jadeja hai, and Jadeja and Ashwin, they proved their mettle in Test cricket.
Right.
You can't touch them. आपको दो स्पिनर्स खिलाने ही पड़ेंगे. एंड प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे, मतलब we should not look at them as spinners. They're quality bowlers. They can spin the ball. They can do their variations. They've played decent amount of international cricket to understand where they can put in their expertise and get wickets. So I would any day pick Jadeja and Ashwin, and then you also get batting with them.
Exactly.
They're decent batters.
Both of them.
Yeah.
Both of them, right.
So 3 fast bowlers में I would have picked Ishant Sharma, Mohammad Shami, and Jasprit Bumrah. No doubt about that, but I have this feeling that they might go with Mohammad Siraj instead of Ishant Sharma.
But if these three play, then Ishant Sharma, Shami, and Bumrah, then it will be the first time that they have played together. All three of them.
Okay, that I did not know.
In the Test World Championship.
हाँ, Test World Championship में ठीक है, because पहली series में I think Shami was not available.
Correct.
Was he?
Shami was not available, I think.
In the second series at home,
Bumrah and Ishant were there.
Then Bumrah went out of action.
Correct. Yeah. So if these three play, it'll probably be for me. It'll be the best attack. I think the best possible attack. I love Siraj. Nothing against him.
Yeah.
It's just
nothing against.
I don't see him taking Ishant Sharma's position.
He should not. I think Ishant Sharma has worked really hard to maintain his position in the Test arena. I would say
right.
That should not. अगर आपको हटाना ही है तो मेरे हिसाब से बुमराह को हटा दो. But nobody would do that.
With an average of 17.36 in this Test Championship, Ishant Sharma definitely has earned this place. Like, that's crazy.
And
man.
not just Test Championship, man. Not just Test Championship. A guy who can.
He's worked really hard over the years.
A fast bowler who can get wickets in Indian conditions. I think I would genuinely pick up that guy any day.
Correct. So yeah, so I think for us the 11 is sorted. We both agree on it.
Yeah. New Zealand, I think Devon Conway is not going anywhere. Neither is Tom Latham. Kane Williamson
with the that
dream debut
century 200
dream debut, yeah man.
On Lords.
On his board में नाम आ गया. छोड़ दो क्रिकेट, अब कुछ और अचीव करने के लिए बचा नहीं.
I think the best innings that he ever played.
Make of cricket. Now it's done. अब और कुछ करने की आपको जरूरत है नहीं वैसे. ठीक है. Kane Williamson, then Ross Taylor. I think Henry Nicholls, Will Young and BJ Watling में से तीनों में से 2 खेलेंगे. Colin Random खेल सकता है.
I still don't understand why they dropped. I kind of do, but I don't know. I didn't want they should have dropped Santner. Like, didn't seem right.
Santner, I am not sure. Santner is a good bowler.
Because Ejaz Patel did not look effective in that series, the last series.
Could be, man. I don't know. मतलब मेरे को मैंने जब टॉम बेस को देखा था, so Tom Bess looked amazing. Tom Bess or John Bess? Tom Bess it is, right?
Tom Bess.
England का.
हाँ.
ठीक है. He looked good in the Bangladesh series. However, he looked nothing like that in the India series. So
that is why I'm saying, okay.
ऐसा हो सकता है. ऐसा हो सकता है. You need a variation.
Having someone experienced, right? With Santner, you get a lot.
You get that as well, but then I think Ejaz Patel is a leg spinner, right? He's a leg spinner.
Yeah, but
Ishodi भी leg spinner है, Santner भी leg spinner है. None of them spin the ball that much. हाँ. तीनों में से कोई भी नहीं करता, ठीक है?
Right.
And दोनों squads में देख लोगे तो कोई भी नहीं spin करता इतना.
Plus एक हमें एक advantage ये भी है कि I think that's an advantage कि इनका जो last series था उसमें the only spinner they were facing was Joe Root.
Okay, nice.
इंग्लैंड के पास Joe Root था.
Joe Root is an underrated spinner, by the way. Let's not discard his achievements. Joe Root is like Michael Clark of the modern era. Michael Clark would always get
whatever, man. I won't compare him to Ashwin Jadeja.
No, he cannot be compared to Jadeja or Ashwin.
Right.
He cannot be.
Chalo. And also Grandhomme ka. Like
the Grandhomme,
I don't know. He gives you
then not that effective with the bat. I don't.
Yeah, that's the only thing that is going in his favor right now. He's a decent bowler, not that great, and I think below par batsman.
Yeah, exactly. So I think if I want to get runs, I would get those runs from Tim Southee and Kylie Jamieson as well. मेरे हिसाब से आपके पहले 4 तो sorted हैं. Conway, Latham, Williamson, Ross Taylor. Now Henry Nicholls, Will Young and BJ Watling इन तीनों में से 2 ही खेलेंगे. ठीक है.
BJ Watling
कीपर है. Will Young और Henry Nicholls में से शायद एक ही खेलेगा. And then
Will Young batting all rounder है.
यार बैटिंग ऑल राउंड
वो उसकी
इनके पास हमारे पास क्यों नहीं होते.
हमारे में अब बैट्समैन बॉलिंग नहीं डालते ना.
गलत है.
तो आई थिंक सहवाग युवराज के साथ खत्म हो गया.
एग्जैक्टली. इसी वजह से हमें 5 बॉलर चाहिए. हम उसके बिना हमारा काम.
एनीवे इसीलिए मुझे ग्रैंडहोम का समझ नहीं आ रहा था. बट हाँ, जेमिसन तुम्हें एक प्योर प्रॉपर ऑलराउंडर मिल गया.
हाँ, जेमिसन है. देन टिम साउदी, ट्रेंट बोल्ट को आप बाहर करोगे नहीं. ठीक है, वो खेलेंगे.
अब एजाज पटेल को खिलाना ही पड़ेगा. इकलौता स्पिनर है.
ओनली स्पिनर इन द स्क्वाड.
हाँ,
इन अ 15 man squad. Correct. He is the only player, only spinner.
Neil Wagner खेलेगा.
So you've got your 4 pacers and Ejaz Patel. ठीक है. You already had your 4 sorted in the top 4 itself. 4-4-8 हो गए. आपके 3 बचे हैं. बीजे वॉटलिंग खेलेगा, विकेट कीपर है. Now Will Young, Henry Nicholls and Colin Grandhomme में से आपके पास कितने रह गए? 3 ही खेलेंगे. 2 खेलेंगे एक्चुअली. इन तीनों में से 2 खेलेंगे.
Correct.
Squad looks good. Both squad on paper looks good.
But
on paper देखो,
I feel India has
a slight edge.
I feel India has a better squad, but it's just conditions.
Conditions है यार, वो तो squad on paper conditions के हिसाब से ही होगी ना. Because शुभमन गिल ने स्पिन बॉलिंग नहीं देखी है. ठीक है.
Probably ये हम बेस्ट जो स्क्वाड बना सकते थे, ये हमारा बेस्ट स्क्वाड है.
हाँ, मतलब the only
भुवनेश्वर कुमार हो सकता था.
Bhuvneshwar Kumar, yes, I miss him. Bhuvneshwar Kumar was probably the only one who could have replaced Ishant Sharma in terms of quality.
Correct.
ठीक है. Mohammad Shami आपका irreplaceable है. I don't understand what he is doing in Test cricket. Although he has picked up, he's performed well, but उस पे वर्कलोड इतना ज्यादा है एंड द काइंड ऑफ एक्शन ही हैज, इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल एक्शन. आप एक बॉलर जो आपके लिए अगले 6 साल खेल सकता है, इट वुड प्रोबब्ली एंड अप लूजिंग हिम इन अबाउट 4 years or so, which is
Right.
something that I'm not willing to risk, knowing कि फास्ट बॉलर्स, सो शॉर्टर फॉर्मेट में फास्ट बॉलर्स आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. आप बुमराह को शॉर्टर फॉर्मेट्स के लिए रख सकते हो. यू कैन कीप पीपल लाइक भुवनेश्वर कुमार, मोहम्मद सिराज फॉर लॉन्गर फॉर्मेट्स, ठीक है. आपके पास ईशांत शर्मा भी बहुत टाइम के लिए नहीं बचा है, कितना खेल लेगा. मोहम्मद शामी भी, ठीक है. ऑल्दो मोहम्मद शामी को रिप्लेस करने में आपको जेन्युइनली बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा. आप अभी
बहुत
से
टाइम लग
नहीं
जाएगा.
करते तो अगले 4 साल में आपको नहीं मिलेगा वो. It's gonna take
Hmm.
another 3 or 4 years. Let's be very honest to each other.
Correct.
Because मोहम्मद शामी जिस तरह की पेस उसने जो लेकर आया, जिस तरह से वो जान से बॉल डालते हैं, and that's every ball that he bowls.
And
It
seen.
same intensity, pace ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है, but that he has the same intensity.
Probably the best seam position in the entire world cricket right now.
Absolutely.
Correct.
One person that could challenge him would be James Anderson.
Right.
James Anderson is in a different league altogether. He's 38. He's still bowling 140, touching 140.
Yeah, we
He's
bowled
great.
141 in the last series.
Swinging the ball.
Crazy.
That's not how it's supposed to be. If you don't believe me, ask Ashish Nehra. उनसे पूछ लो भाई, अगर तुम्हें हमारी बातों पर विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. ऐसे नहीं चलता यार. फास्ट बॉलर इतना नहीं खेलते. कौन खेलता है? He thought he was the only one who played. He was the only fast bowler who played till he was 40 or 39.
But still, I think he holds the title for that maximum number of injuries and coming back,
13.
bouncing back after injuries. वो उसका टाइटल तो कोई नहीं ले सकता.
नहीं ले सकता ना. उन्होंने खुद ही बोल दिया था कि बॉडी में इंजरी नहीं है, इंजरी में बॉडी है.
इंजरी में बॉडी. चलो, तो हमारे स्क्वाड्स हमने देख लिए, राइट.
स्क्वाड्स हमारे सॉर्टेड है. लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द वेन्यू नाउ.
साउथहैम्पटन.
Aegis Bowl, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about the venue?
So, first of all, I'm glad it has. Huh?
First of all, you're glad that it's not on Lords.
No, I'm glad that England is not in the finals.
Oh yeah.
This becomes a neutral venue.
Now it
though not so neutral for New Zealand, but very similar home playing conditions. Was ground
neutral करवाना था, श्रीलंका में करवा देते फिर. I am happy with the venue. ठीक है.
Yeah, I'm also happy. And the best part is that it's
a pinch of grass on the wicket as well.
Correct. But I think the best part is that finally we have a 6-day match.
Yes.
So छठा दिन I'm 100% sure use होगा.
हाँ होना ही.
Reserve day है, but 120% use होगा.
Provided मतलब 4 innings हो जाए.
हाँ. Provided 4 innings.
I have a very strong feeling कि बहुत ही वो होने वाला है यार. Maybe you'll see an innings defeat or something, which I don't want to.
हाँ. But अगर बारिश हुई तो और बुरा लगेगा.
हाँ मतलब I want कि भाई ये
result,
ये टेस्ट मैच ड्रॉ ना होए. मतलब it's
very result चाहिए. Like for this
for test cricket.
हाँ, for this World Test Championship to work out the way they want it,
yeah.
result.
There has to be a result, and that's why I was more in favor of a test series.
Right.
Shouldn't have been just.
But उसका एक और बड़ा सिंपल सोल्यूशन हो सकता था ना कि इंग्लैंड में मैच ना करो.
हाँ मतलब इंग्लैंड में तो वर्ल्ड कप भी नहीं समझ आया मेरे को. जब
हाँ जहाँ पे 12 महीने बारिश होती है वहाँ पे क्यों
हाँ, आपने वर्ल्ड कप भी उस टाइम पे कराया था जहाँ पे उनका मेरे ख्याल से ये वाला सीजन सबसे ज्यादा वो होता है. It's their monsoon.
I think there should be a clear winner. Like you after 2 years you have to know which is the best team.
Why? After
उसी के लिए तो मैच हो रहा है.
Not decide World Cup winner. What is so different about this one?
Your final thoughts?
I think it's hard to pick a winner, but I think New Zealand goes
India
in as favorites. No?
India side.
I would want India to win, man. I would want.
But then they're going as favorites now.
I don't think so. I think New Zealand has the edge, especially winning 1-0 against England in England.
हमें लास्ट याद भी नहीं हमने आखिरी बार इंग्लैंड को टेस्ट सीरीज कब हराई थी। प्रॉब्लम ही तो यही हो रही है ना, हर कोई अपनी कंट्री में शेर है, ठीक है। व्हाई डू वी कंसिडर ऑस्ट्रेलिया
except Australia.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया अपने घर में भी नहीं है, तो व्हाई डू वी कंसिडर ऑस्ट्रेलिया ऑफ द 90s द बेस्ट टीम दैट वी हैव एवर कम अक्रॉस?
Because they won everywhere.
ठीक है, हाँ दे वन ऑन द ट्रॉट यार, हर जगह जाके जीते हैं वो, एंड वो हर जगह जाके व्हाइट वॉश कर रहे थे,
Correct.
लिटरली डिसमेंटलिंग द ऑपोजिशन, relentless इतना क्रिकेट, एंड द ओनली टीम दैट वर the only two teams that were giving them competition of any sorts, one was India, ठीक है, and हम उनको ODI क्रिकेट में तो we couldn't even touch them. We could not touch them.
हम उनकी सेकंड टीम से हार जाते हैं।
हाँ, क्योंकि उनकी सेकंड टीम में डैरन लीमन था, ठीक है, उनकी प्राइमरी टीम में तो वो खेल ही नहीं रहा था ना, शेन वॉर्न नहीं खेल रहा था, उनके चार बॉलर तो बेचारों को उनको सोचना पड़ता था कि मैं किसको खिलाऊं, एंडी बिकल को खिलाऊं, मकरा को खिलाऊं, ब्रेटली को खिलाऊं, जेसन गिलेस्पी को खिलाऊं। ये चार में से अगर आपको पिक करना हो तो आप से टफर जॉब और किसी की है नहीं,
किसी का नहीं है,
ठीक है। एंड देन दे हैड माइकल बेविन बेचारा गया ही था तो माइकल हसी आ गया, मतलब ही स्टार्टेड एज अ फिनिशर, हु स्टार्ट्स एज अ फिनिशर, नो वन डज। माइकल ऐसी 30 साल की एज में आके कह रहा है भाई मेरे पास बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, मैं फिनिशर ही खेलूंगा, एंड ही डिड दैट रियली वेल। उनकी टीम का स्टैंडर्ड मेरे को अभी नहीं लगता कि किसी टीम ने अचीव किया, एंड इट्स बीन वेरी लॉन्ग, इट्स बीन 14 years now,
but I believe we have come close now.
we've only come close in terms of one day cricket.
हाँ, but
बिल्कुल क्लोज आ
I think
चुके, then the
I think अब नया चैप्टर है ये, मतलब this match is that is why it is important.
It is very important, but एक चीज और भी तो है ना, हम उनके लेवल पे आ गए इन टर्म्स ऑफ वनडे क्रिकेट, क्वालिटी ऑफ क्रिकेट में नहीं पहुंचे हैं, हमारी बॉलिंग अभी भी उतनी लीथल नहीं है। They were not winning because they had good batsmen, they had good bowlers, they had 11 people in the team who were throwing themselves around and fielding the ball at any position. That is the team that you want to be. और अगर आपको उससे भी बेटर बनना है then nothing like it, because अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपको ऐसे याद रखा जाए कि हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया टीम के बराबर पहुंच गए थे, तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो, या फिर अगर आपको ऐसे याद रखा जाना चाहिए
सरपास करके थे,
आप सरपास कर गए थे, एंड देन पीपल वुड स्टार्ट कॉलिंग you guys or start considering you as the benchmark. For the last 14 years Australia is the benchmark, ठीक है, 14 क्रिकेट में ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जाके परफॉर्म, why do we consider Sachin to be god of cricket? Because उसने उस एरा में परफॉर्म किया है, उस बॉलिंग लाइनअप के अगेंस्ट परफॉर्म किया है जहां पे बहुत सारे लोग, everyone was faltering in front of them, every team had at least two lethal bowlers जो आईसीसी हॉल ऑफ फेम में इजीली जा सकते हैं।
Correct.
So, as far as this is concerned, I would still say that New Zealand, they start as favorites. बारिश होगी, स्विंग होगी बॉल, it will be a good test, and that's what
let's hope for India's victory then.
Yep. And we will be posting videos at the end of every day summarizing what has happened, who won the session and who lost that session. We'll be describing each session, so just watch out for it.